up, bro? 2, 3. Woo. Good morning. It is a beautiful Monday, beautiful start to the week. I'm pumped up as usual. We're gonna be doing a roof tear off in Mission Viejo. This is a flat torch down roof. I just dumped my trailer over here in Garden Grove. So now I'm gonna jump on the freeway and head to the job. Let's jump right into it. Holy smokes, it's freaking chaos in here, boys. It's kind of cool. Come on. Woo-hoo! That's what I'm talking about. You like it right there? But more back. Good. Oh, hate that. Oh yeah, there we go. Steep. The driveway is steep. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you. Cool. Hey, bro. I'm gonna make a, I gotta measure, like, go ahead and start, but I gotta measure real quick. We gotta make a material list. First thing, cause we gotta get the material here tomorrow. And then inspection Wednesday. So. But all good, all good. Oh. All right, we are on site here in Mission Viejo and the tear off has already begun. As you can see, we got the dump trailer set up right here and we're just ripping off this flat roof on the second story. The other roof is actually in good shape. It's an aluminum roof and it does have 2 layers actually. It's got wood shingles underneath or like wood shake underneath. We're not going to disturb those two, just the section to where we need to lap that flat roof underneath it. It should move along pretty quick here. The only hang up so far is the front row has peel and stick on it. So those sheets of plywood are trash. We'll go ahead and remove and replace those. But that's not too difficult. It's just 1/2-inch plywood. We should be able to get those off pretty quick. Go ahead, keep shoveling, bro.
What?
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
I'll pull it for you.
Oh no. Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Go ahead. Sorry, my boy. Oh my God. Dear God, I'm sorry. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Left.
Here, one more.
Okay. Bisa lu.
Bien?
Iya. Ini sama aku. Ini sama aku, boy.
You got it?
Lewat aku, boy.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo. You want to go left? Two layers right here?
Yeah.
It's two, huh?
That's two.
Let me see. How's this looking?
Look.
Oh, wow. Wood shake underneath, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay. I mean,
Don't touch.
don't even look. So we got technically 3 roofs, huh?
Yeah.
Tin or a metal aluminum style roof. Underneath we got wood shake. And then here we got our torch down. And they're all bad. Just kidding. This one's not bad.
Oh, no, that one is good.
But it's just encapsulating the wood.
And the paper, put some of the paper inside.
Yeah. It's on the outside. No good lap. Hey, hey, hey. All right, bro, I'm gonna go grab that plywood real quick. If you see anything else, Dario, give me a call. You guys want a drink?
Yeah.
What do you want, bro?
Monster.
Monster, white monster?
Black. No, no, wait.
Blanco?
Yeah.
What do you want, Dar?
Wow.
Water? Watermelon. A mango? Okay. Yeah, something. I'll bring you guys something. I'll be right back. Banana, peach, mango. All right, so I'm back from the material run. I got 7 sheets of 1/2-inch plywood, some 8D nails, and some drinks for the boys. Next move is to take the plywood up on the roof and get it nailed down because we have an inspection coming, and that's what the inspector is going to be looking for on the first inspection. He's going to want to see that we used 1/2-inch plywood and the correct nail pattern, as well as check our material, which will be loaded tomorrow by the roofing company. The inspection for roofing is a pretty easy process. We have a wood inspection and a final inspection. If you can't pass that, then you ain't no roofer. As you can see, it's a good thing we dumped this trailer this morning because this fills up super fast. Drip edge. This is that old plywood that had the peel and stick on it. You can see if you try and rip this off, it just destroys this 1/2-inch plywood, which is why it needs to be removed and replaced.
No.
See?
Yeah?
For the back.
Oh, okay.
One more.
Ready?
One hand over there.
Nice. Right.
Beautiful. I think so. That's good, huh?
Yeah.
One more. Tight.
More.
Nah, bro, you gotta go a little deeper, huh? Okay, we gotta fix this later today. I'm spending more time airing these things up than it would take me to fix them. I just never have time to do anything, honestly. See, we're at 33. Ideally, I want to be at 65. Rough, rough, rough. Stop roofing. Stop roofing. Start roofing. Haha. Okay. Now, there's one thing I wish this trailer had. It's one of those awesome automatic covers that just go push button. I'm a big button guy. Because doing this all the time is annoying. Thank you. Oh, ticket. Sorry, it's my first time here. Oh, I could hear something like hook right there. See what happened. Told you. It's the problem about throwing things on the side. I'll have to talk to the guys about that. There we go. Like I said, not happy about that, but okay. A couple shimmies on this thing. Look at that. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought. $94.59. It cost me $200 to dump earlier at the last recycling center, but this one's in the city of Irvine. Actually, if you look over here, it's like a big water park. It's right next to like Irvine Great Park. It's actually a pretty cool little location. Not bad though, so maybe I'll come back here another time. God knows I create enough trash. I feel like my life is just a series of talking to customers, talking to employees, and running to the dump. And big box stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ganal. It's a constant run around. I'm just running around. It's you know, 3 o'clock right now. I feel like I just woke up at 5 a.m. Like I blinked my eyes twice and it's already 3 o'clock because it's just constantly moving. But that's the way I like it. I'm not built to like sit around. I'm not built to just hang out. It just drives me mad to hang out and do nothing. So on to the next one. Let's go to our next stop. Oh, that was the move. I went home and took a quick shower and changed. Whenever you rip off a roof, it's got like fiberglass in it and it gets flying everywhere. Sometimes you feel all itchy. So it is super nice to shower off and just start getting fresh. Time to clock in for the second half of the day, which is really just gonna be super easy. I'm gonna take my trailer back to the shop. I gotta throw a couple patches or some plugs in my trailer tires. I got like 3 screws in there and I'm constantly putting air in these things. I have one of those little Milwaukee air compressors and it's so easy to do, but I need to stop it, man, because one day that is going to come out and bite me in the butt. So a couple plugs should take care of me better than a couple screw or nails in the tire. So let's do that real fast. It is the next day and I am ashamed to admit that that tire never got plugged because by the time I got to the shop, it was dark out. I got hungry, so I went and got some dinner and then went home right after. If you made it this far in the video, I really do appreciate you guys. It means more than I could express. I'm trying really hard to crank out construction POV style content, day in the life content, and just what it's like being a general contractor as a young guy in the construction industry. I really do appreciate it. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this style content. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.